Assalamu alaikum everyone! Welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Today we will talk about feelings. I prepared for you 10 important feelings in spoken Egyptian. So, let's start. Let's start with positive feelings. So, our first one is actually positive. Okay, positive. So positive in spoken Egyptian means إيجابي. When I say, for example, أنا شخص إيجابي, أنا واحد إيجابي, it means I am a positive person. أنا شخص إيجابي or أنا واحد إيجابي. Okay, sometimes you say شخص or واحد from one. Okay, which means a person. So أنا واحد إيجابي. I am a positive person. So إيجابي. Say it with me. إيجابي.
زيت يا راضي اهو شارعنا اهو. انت متأكد؟ طبعا متأكد.
The second one is happy. Happy, we have two meanings in spoken Egyptian. You can either say مبسوط or you can say فرحان. Okay, also سعيد is possible. It's from more than Arabic. So we say مبسوط or فرحان more. So you can say أنا مبسوط, for example, it means I am happy. Or أنا فرحان, I am happy. Okay, so for all the adjectives that I will say, just add at the end, which is a tight ta, and then you get the feminine derivation. So when you say, for example, أنا مبسوط, just add at the end, so أنا مبسوطة. Okay, and أنا فرحان, just add at the end, so أنا فرحانة. أنا فرحانة, أنا مبسوطة. This means I am happy, but for feminine. So أنا مبسوط, so this is masculine. أنا مبسوطة feminine. أنا فرحان masculine. أنا فرحانة feminine. The third one in our list here is مرتاح, which means relieved or comforted or in a comfortable state. Okay, أنا مرتاح. So when you, for example, if you did a great job and you passed your exam after hard working and long nights of study, then you are now مرتاح. You are now comfortable. Okay, you are now in a state of being calm. Okay, after this hard work. So مرتاح, and the feminine of course is مرتاحة. Okay, مرتاح, it means calm or comforted or relieved. So أنا مرتاح.
اسكندرية عمرك ما هتعرفيها من الانترنت.
Optimistic in spoken Egyptian is متفائل from التفاؤل. Optimism, التفاؤل, متفائل. So أنا متفائل, for example, أنا متفائل إن أنت هتنجح, that you will succeed. Okay, أنا متفائل. So I am optimistic about something. متفائل. And for female, متفائلة. Okay, or we say in Egyptian متفائلة. Okay, so متفائل, it should be متفائلة. Okay, but in Egyptian we don't say متفائلة, just we say it fast. متفائلة. أنا متفائلة النهاردة. Okay, أنا متفائلة النهاردة. So متفائل for male, for masculine. متفائلة for feminine. نشيط, active. أنا نشيط النهاردة. I have done sports. Okay, so I have been practicing, been training, and I am full of energy. So أنا نشيط, I am active. Okay, نشيط. And note that we say نشيط, not نشيط. So it is with t at the end, the heavy T. نشيط. أنا نشيط. And for feminine it is نشيطة. Okay, so أنا نشيطة, I am active. If a female is speaking, if a male is speaking, is أنا نشيط.
يا راضي اهو، هو ده الشارع بتاعنا راضي، شارع بستان المهاميس ده، ودي العمارة بتاعتنا ايه دي.
Now let's move to the negative adjectives, and I prepared also 5 for you. The first one is of course negative, and negative here instead of إيجابي we said at the beginning, so it is سلبي. Okay, سلبي is negative, and for female we say سلبية. Okay, so it is سلبي and then we add but it is the ya, it becomes not سلبية, not سلبية. Okay, أنا سلبية. Okay, so سلبي it means negative. Say it with me, سلبي. As we said before, happy, it has 2 meanings, which is فرحان مبسوط, so I'm revising with you now. Sad also has 2 meanings in spoken Egyptian. We can say sad, متضايق, or زعلان. So متضايق from متضايق. Okay, in more standard Arabic. So we say متضايق. So متضايق is sad, and also زعلان with عين, زعلان, sad. So you can say both of them. They are both synonym, okay? And they are very similar or almost identical in meaning. So you can use any one of them depending on your wish. Okay, so أنا زعلان or أنا متضايق. Both are I am sad. We have also another important feeling, which is stressed, which is tension. Okay, yes, exactly, as I'm sure that you link it with tension. Yes, this is something that is in Egyptian very common. We get some things from the English or French and we Egyptianize it. Okay, so we say tensioned, and from tensioned we make it Egyptian by saying متنشن. Okay, got the tension. Okay, متنشن. So متنشن here, it means he is tensioned. Okay, under stressed. Okay, so متنشن. And for female it is متنشنة. So we add as I told you before. So متنشن, stressed, متنشنة, stressed for female. متشائم is pessimistic. Okay, متشائم, he's looking to the world through a black glass. Okay, so متشائم through a black glasses. So هو متشائم, هي متشائمة. Okay, like متفائل, we don't say متشائمة, we say متشائمة directly. So متشائم, pessimistic for male, متشائمة for female, متشائم. Sleepy is نعسان, from النعاس, which is to feel sleepy. Okay, in more standard Arabic, النعاس. Okay, this is the first stage of sleeping in نعاس. So I am, okay, أشعر بالنعاس, I feel sleepy. Okay, feel the sleeping. Or the first stage. Okay, so here نعسان, it means I am sleepy. نعسان, and the female adjective is نعسانة. Okay, so say it with me again. نعسان. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a look at the description box and the first comment, and enroll 100% free in my Egyptian Arabic 101 course, where you get a fundamental knowledge about Egyptian Arabic and build your background from scratch.